Hi teachers! In this video we're going to learn how to go to Commons and import a course into our own Canvas course. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out by starting a new course. Go to your dashboard and click on Start a New Course. And we're going to give it a name. Be sure you're naming it something that you want to keep because this will be the permanent name. You won't be able to change it. But for my purposes, I'm just going to do importing from Commons. Okay, now I've created a shell of a course. Now I'm going to go to Commons and bring in an entire course to fill this in. So over here on the right, import from Commons. And then I'm going to turn on one filter. I'm going to go to the bottom and click on Salt Lake City Schools. And then I'm going to search by my name, because I shared this to the Commons, so it's going to be indexed by my name. And we're looking for this Directed Studies version 2 Nichols. And a big shout out and public kudos to Sarah Nichols for sharing her course with us so that you can get a head start on creating your Canvas content. So once we find this, I'm going to open it up, and then over on the right I'm going to import download, and then I'm going to tell it which course to put that content into. So here it is, importing from Commons. That's the one I just created. Scroll to the bottom and import into course. Okay, it gives me this green banner. You've successfully started the import. So we gave it a little time to import. I'm going to go back to my course home page. Well, let's just go back to the dashboard, and then we can go to the new course we just created. So once you open that up, you can see I have this template home page that I can edit any way I want to. And then I can go into the modules view and I can see all this content that's already in there. And that's how you import a course into your own Canvas course from Commons.